Hey Sojourners, I have to do this project before I go to bed. It's a new t-shirt, but for some reason there's a little hole in the front of it. And see that little hole right here? And I'm going to be patching that hole. So I'm going to try and iron this so I can get it as flat as possible. I want you to see the size of the hole. So I'm going to put this white paper underneath so you can see. So if you look at that white space, you'll see that's the size of the hole. I'm going to start at one end. Okay. And I'm going to go to the top. I start at the bottom. The thread comes out at the bottom. I'm going to go to the top, make a little stitch. Come back to the bottom, make a tiny little stitch. Go back to the top, make a tiny little stitch. And I keep doing that until I get to the other side. Okay, so I come to the bottom, then I go to the top. I come to the bottom, make a tiny stitch, go to the top, and I try not to stretch the material, okay? Okay, I've reached the end of it. I'm going to make a little stitch here, tie it off, and then cut it. So here we go. But I could have left this as it is. But here's a little applique that I'm going to put over it. That will create a little style right there. Okay, so I'm going to be pinning it right there. Okay, Sojourners, here is the finished product. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.